In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Claude API error 500. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So first step is to open up Google Chrome and click on the three dots and then click into settings. Now on the left hand side, we need to go ahead and click on privacy and security. To the far right, click on to delete browsing data, but we're not going to delete the data. We want to go ahead and click and delete the cookies and cache. So click onto that and then it will say show more. Click on show more. Now basically what we want to do is make sure cookies and other site data is selected and also cached images and files. Click on the more, click on all time, and then click on delete data. Now the next fix here is to go ahead and check out your extensions. So click into extensions, click on manage extensions. Go ahead and start disabling all of your extensions like so. So just go through there and go ahead and disable them, and then come back to Claude and then see if that fixes the issue. If it does, come back to your extensions and start enabling these one by one and try and figure out which extension is the problem. Now, if you're still having issues on top of that, I suggest using Claude in a different web browser. So if you're using Google Chrome, go ahead and use Firefox, Opera, Bing, not Bing. We've got Microsoft Edge and that.